Good evening to all. So today's topic we are discussing is from the Hindu newspaper, which is relevantly important to our GS2 paper, that is Indian polity. Now what's the topic? The topic is UP government passes a bill to amend law against conversion. This bill is the amendment from the previous bill, that is Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religious Act 2021. Now what's the heading says? The UP Vidhan Sabha on Tuesday passed the Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religious Amendment Bill 2024, making the law strict by providing for a maximum punishment of life imprisonment or for those found guilty of marrying a woman by deceiving her and illegally converting her religion. This bill has been passed by UP government, or we can say amended by UP government, to counter the forceful conversion of a woman into a specific religion, that is, illegally converting her religion. Moreover, the opposition party, that is, Akhilesh Yadav's government, criticized this bill by saying that there is no need for this bill right now. It is common in politics, as the opposition party always criticize the ruling party and the ruling party always criticize the opposition party. So now let's begin to our topic. Firstly, we are going to discuss what is Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religions Act 2021. The main aim of this act is to regulate religious conversions and prohibit conversions achieved by force, undue influence, or any fraudulent means. It simply means that if any person is forcing another person to convert his religions, then he will be tackled according to this Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religions Act 2021 and should be given the punishment. It is the standard punishment of 1 to 5 years imprisonment and a minimum fine of rupees 15,000. But in case if the victim is a woman, a minor, or belongs to a SC or ST cards, then the punishment increases to 2 to 10 years imprisonment and a minimum fine of rupees 25,000 apply in that case if the victim is a woman or a minor or belongs to a scheduled caste or SC type. One more case also arises in this. If the conversion is in mass, means there are a lot of people converting by forcefully, the punishment for that mass conversion is 3 to 10 years of imprisonment and a minimum fine of rupees 50,000. And the marriage conducted for this purpose, that is unlawful conversion, is declared to be void under this act. Now one more article is published regarding this in recent time, that is on 2 July, which says that the Allahabad High Court also says the mandate of Article 25 of the Constitution does not provide for the religious conversion, and that unlawful conversion into Christianity is rampant in UP. Overall, the majority will become minority unless conversion during religious congregations is stopped. Now discuss what does Article 25 exactly says. It guarantees freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion, subject to public order, morality and health. The state can regulate or restrict any economic, financial, political or other secular activity associated with religious practices. Means it gives us the right to freedom to freely promote our religion or particular religion in which we are coming to promote it, and it does not say that you should convert each and every person forcefully to a particular religion. Whether you are a Christian, you are forcing some Hindu guys to convert your religion to convert your religion and adopt Christianity. The Article 25 does not say this. It gives the right to a particular individual to promote and practice his or her religion. In our constitutional provisions, no article mentions the right to religious conversion, and hence it's not in our articles mentioned clearly. Therefore, the religious conversion become an unlawful practices, and under certain acts it become a severe punishment. Now discuss about several states have passed anti-conversion laws The first state to enact a law restricting religious conversions, prohibiting forceful conversion and fraudulent means was the Odisha. In 1967, he passed this law. The second state was the Madhya Pradesh. In 1968, Madhya Pradesh introduced Dharm Swatantra Adhiniyam, requiring notification to the district magistrate for any conversion activities under penalty of law. By this, several states have passed: Arunachal Pradesh in 1978, Gujarat in 2003, Chhattisgarh in 2000 and 2006, up to Uttarakhand in 2018, and Uttar Pradesh in 2021. And in recent, Haryana has also passed in 2022. But now, the Uttar Pradesh has amended its previous Act of 2021. Now let's discuss what things have been changed in this new amendment bill. And this newly amendment bill, the punishment has been increased to 20 years and a fine of rupees 50,000. Now I hope you all have understood what are the new law implementation about conversion of religions, and we have discussed each and every aspects related to the conversions. So bye bye, all the best for your day. Meet you in the next lecture.